Hello friends, in this video we'll see how to create a product in Plumcot ERP. The different ways to open up the product master is go to the inventory menu from the dashboard, go to the inventory menu and the product master is right over here. The other way to open up the product master is go to the inventory menu, the first form add/edit product, or if not, go to the master's form under products, the product master is over here. So when your company is having a new product to be sold out or purchased, you can create this particular product to be available in all those forms where you require to select the product. Now as you can see, the product code is already loaded. It means that that's an auto-generated field. Now you can always go ahead and change the product code according to your want or the company's want. Now please fill in the product name. And then if any description is there, you can fill in over here in this field. Then I'm going to select the item group under which this particular product of mine falls. Now the stock valuation here is given as before. It means first in, first out. The first that comes into the warehouse is the one which goes out of the warehouse. The other methods are last purchase rate, weighted average, non-value, and public services. Now other details regarding the product is supposed to be mentioned in the details tab. The basic details, here you can specify the units in which the product is being purchased or sold out, or the basic unit itself. Now that I'm going to specify this basic unit as numbers, then I'm going to sell the product in numbers itself. However, the purchase is going to be done in boxes, so I'm going to select boxes over here, and then sales, it is going to remain as numbers itself. And please enter the purchase rate. So this is my purchase rate and the sales rate. And next, if any image is there related to this particular product, you can go ahead and browse the picture from your computer, from your local source. And then if the product includes tax, then you can tick mark this particular checkbox. And then coming to the unit detail section, now that you have specified more than one unit for your product, you got to specify the connection between the two units, or the conversion factor we call it. So in the unit section, we'll say that one piece of box is equal to 10 numbers. So this is one unit of box contains 10 numbers of Amul Cola is what it means from this particular line. Now each and every products will be having their barcodes, so that can be scanned and entered over here. Then in the barcode section, you can always go ahead and specify for each and every units. Like for numbers, it will be a different barcode, and sometimes for the boxes it will be a different barcode, so you can specify all those over here in this particular field. So these are the basic fields which you got to know when you're entering products in the product master form. And then you got to click the save button once you make sure all the details are filled in, and then click the save button. Save this record, yes. And once you save this particular record, then it will be listed out in the products in the right pane. Yes, so my product got saved. Now it will be listed in the drink section. This is the product that we added just now. So you can always go ahead and edit the details, the ones which you have already entered. So now if you want to see all the products in one screen, there is a button called Ctrl plus F or the Find button over here. You got to press that button, and then all the products, their details that you have that you would have entered while while doing the creation of the product, those will be displayed in this particular screen. You can even maximize the screen. And then also there is a checkbox to list out only the products that are active. My screen actually got minimized because it was the minimize button that I pressed. So this is the way, and there is a way to product search for the product over here as well. You can either enter the code of the product if you want to particularly search for a product, and if you know the code, or if not, if you know the product name, you can enter it over here. Suppose if it is USB that you want to select, so these are the USB list. You just got to type in the name of the product over here, and only those particular products will be listed. And you can always go ahead and double click the products, which will open up the product form for you to make any changes in case you want to. So once you want to make a changes, you can press the edit button, then make the changes, and suppose if it is 15,500. Okay, this was a product, so it is 15 that I'm going to sell it for, and then purchase was done for 10 rupees. So this is the profit margin. You got to, now once if you make the changes, then you got to press the update button. So this reflects the change in your database. Once you click the update button, the changes will be reflected in your database once you access the product from different forms. So this is all about product creation. Thank you so much and have a nice day.